In this lesson, we will learn about the SQL UPDATE statement. It is used for modifying existing records in a database. The general syntax of the update statement is as follows. First, the update keyword to specify the table you want to modify. Then the set clause which specifies which columns to update and their new values. Finally, the where clause determines which records to update. Without a where clause, all records in the table will be updated, so be very careful. Before we run the update statement, we have the customers table. It includes customer ID, name, email, and city. Here is an example of a basic update statement. The statement will update the city of the customer with customer ID 2 to San Francisco. After executing the update statement, the city for Jane Doe, the customer with customer ID 2, has been updated to San Francisco. The record has been modified. The result of the operation says one row was affected. The update statement modifies the data but maintains the same record. Here are some advanced use cases for the update statement. For example 1, we update multiple columns simultaneously, separating each column update with commas. In example 2, we use existing column values and expressions, and we set the last updated column to current date. Also, you can update different data types within the same statement and use structured query language functions like upper or concat. Now let's explore the where clause in depth. In the first example, we update the salary of employees where the department exactly matches marketing. In the second example, we use comparison operators to update the discount column for products where the price is greater than 100. In the third example, we use multiple conditions. We update the status to shipped for orders placed before the 1st of January, 2023, and where the status is pending. Finally, we use the like operator to update the region to west for customers where the city starts with San. Important: always include a where clause unless you intentionally want to update all records. Here are some advanced update techniques. First, using subqueries in an update statement, we can update records based on data from another table. Here, we are updating the price of a product based on the categories table. Second, we can update with a case statement to apply different updates based on conditions. Here, we are updating the inventory status based on the quantity. Some best practices include testing update queries with a select statement first, using transactions for complex updates, keeping a backup before updating large datasets, and considering performance on large tables. To summarize, the update statement modifies existing records in a table. The set clause specifies the columns and their new values. The where clause determines which records to update. You can update multiple columns in a single statement, and it supports expressions, functions, and subqueries. However, some common gotchas include missing the where clause which will update all records, incorrect data types which can cause errors, foreign key constraints which may prevent updates, and large updates can be slow and lock tables. As always, test with a select statement before updating. The update statement is a powerful tool for data maintenance and integrity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.